Silverado 3500 HD. Single rear wheel, of course. We have here spare tire tools. Sometimes people don't remember how these go back together, so I will show. I'll loosen this. Pull it out. I'll loosen this. Unhook it. These are your wheel chocks. They go back together like this. Slip that hook in through there. Go ahead and hook it back on the jack. Like that. Spin that down. It'll look like this. Then this slides in like that. This part of the jack just goes right in that slot like that. I like to lift it up by hand and then crank it into place. There's a little, snug it up a little, don't over tighten it, but there's a little spot, a little saddle for that to go into. And when you come around to the other side, never mind the tools, come around to the other side, you get the tire iron and extensions. These unscrew like so. Comes out. That looks like that. That just hooks in, just cradles that. Put that back on there. Restart the wing nut. Tighten it down. Never mind the dog hair. I have 2 large dogs and 1 small dog. But anyway, that is it. That's how you do that for the spare tire tools. Never mind this 8-foot long custom toolbox. That's for another video.